Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to summation classes. Today we are going to discuss briefly about the concept of the refraction of light. In order to understand the concept of refraction of light, we need two media, and these two media, they must be transparent. They must be transparent. And they must have different optical densities. They must have different optical densities. In order to understand the concept of the refraction of light, we need two media. They must be transparent and they must have different optical densities. So what now refraction means? A refraction is the bending of light. It is the bending of light that takes place at the interface. So let us first know what interface means. Interface is the dividing line between the two media, or it is the point of contact of the two media. So the bending of light which takes place at the interface between the two media, or when light travels from one medium to another medium, there is bending at the interface between the two media. This bending of light is known as refraction of light. So refraction simply means the bending of light when light travels from one medium to another medium having different optical densities. So dear students, now why the bending takes place? What is the cause of the refraction of light? Why the bending takes place at the interface? The cause of refraction is that the velocity of light, it is different in different media. That is why the bending takes place. The light changes its direction of propagation at the interface between the two media, because it is at the interface that the media change, and the change in the media, it results in the bending of light. That is why we say that the cause of refraction, it is because the speed of light is different in different media. Speed of light in air is 3 × 10⁸ meter per second, whereas in case of glass it is 2 × 10⁸ meter per second. So the cause of bending is that the speed of light is different in different media. That is why the bending takes place. So simply refraction occurs because the speed of light is different in different media. So dear students, it is enough for today. So in the next video, we are going to discuss about the laws of refraction, or the principles that govern the laws of refraction. Thank you. Have a nice day.